I built 8 strategies and made them fight 100,000 times. One of them betrays every single opponent, every single time. Pure selfishness, no mercy. It finished dead last. And then, it went extinct. Here's the game they're playing. 2 players, 1 choice. Cooperate or betray. If you both cooperate, you both get 3 points. If you both betray, you both get 1. But if you betray while they cooperate, you get 5, and they get nothing. Betraying is always better for you personally. That's the trap. 8 strategies entered. Always cooperate. Trusts everyone. Forever. Always defect. Betrays everyone. Always. The Grudger. Nice until you cross him once. Then he never forgives you again. The detective probes you early to see if you'll fight back, then exploits you if you won't. And Tit-for-Tat, which is 2 lines of code. Start nice, then just copy whatever they did last. Every strategy played every other strategy. 200 rounds each. And the winner was the simplest one on the board. Tit-for-Tat. Always defect. The pure predator. Came dead last. So I ran it again. But this time, as evolution. Winners reproduce. Losers die out. 60 generations. Watch what happens to the selfish one. Here's why. Betrayal wins a single round, but it poisons every round after it. Tit-for-Tat never starts a fight, never lets itself get exploited twice, and never holds a grudge. In a world where you meet the same people again and again, being nice isn't naive. It's the winning strategy. But then I changed one thing. In the real world, people misunderstand each other. Signals get crossed. So I added 5% miscommunication. Sometimes a move gets flipped, by accident. And everything changed. Tit-for-Tat started losing. The Grudger, who never forgives a single betrayal, went extinct. The strategies that won were the ones that forgave. Because when mistakes are possible, an eye for an eye starts a revenge spiral that never ends. 2 strategies that both refuse to forgive will punish each other forever over a misunderstanding. Be nice. Don't be a pushover. And forgive sometimes. Not because it's kind, but because it wins.